Hi everyone, I'm making banana marble with chocolate ganache with mommy. First slice the bananas. Now mash 5 bananas and crack 3 eggs. Add vanilla and castor sugar. Then whisk them together. Next, add mashed banana and 1 cup of oil. Then whisk again. In a different bowl, put 2 cups of flour and baking powder and baking soda. Mix well, then add into butter. Flour into 2 batches. Then whisk again. In small bowl, mix with water. Stir and mix to rest for 15 minutes. Then add butter, the banana and butter. Mix until combined. Sprinkle some brown sugar in the pan. Then put the sliced banana. Now put the butter in the baking tray. First put chocolate flavor. Now add banana butter. Continue until finish and until a quater full. Once it's done, bake for 40 minutes. If it's a cold for then flip to serving plate. Finally, pour chocolate ganache on top banana cake. Smells so good. Delicious. Enjoy. Cuba.